break destinations. Miami Beach is where a mix of cultures, residents and travelers mingle. A wide variety of people, including waifish models, amateur architecture critics, distinguished seniors and sun-seeking families, enjoy the renowned shores of America's Riviera. North Miami Beach is where you'll find the kid-friendliest beaches and the most affordable restaurants and hotels. Less than 10 miles away are the galleries, museums and theaters of Greater Miami. And then there's South Beach. This popular southernmost neighborhood proves that Miami Beach is more like two cities, a family-friendly vacation when the sun is shining and a super chic metropolis come nightfall. If you want to keep up with the Joneses, you'll have to flash your Amex Black Card at the high-end stores, schmooze at the cutting-edge fusion restaurants, dance at the energetic nightclubs and relax poolside at the Art Deco-style hotels. But the rich and famous aren't the only ones who will enjoy their time here. More laid-back travelers can relax along the sands of Hollywood Beach or Lamas Park, learn a little more about architecture on an Art Deco tour, or even try their hand at fishing off of the South Quad Pier. Another must-do: window shopping and strolling along the Lincoln Road Mall. And you can't leave Miami Beach without chowing down on tasty cuisine and enjoying cocktails at a rooftop bar. How to save money in Miami Beach: weekdays are cheaper. Miami Beach doesn't see many business travelers. Thus, the hotel rates dip during the weekdays. Get the early bird special here. This means that you should arrive at your bar or club of choice before they begin charging a cover or raise it. Check the bar's website earlier that day for the specific time. Also, because of cover charges, bar hopping is a luxury that many cannot afford. Culture and customs: Miami Beach is a city of immigrants, with one of the biggest Cuban populations in the country. A large number of Miamians speak Spanish as their first language, and it can be heard everywhere in the city. The Cuban culture has, in turn, also influenced the city's music, architecture and food. The city also has a thriving gay community, whose focus is in South Beach, especially between 11th and 12th Streets. What to eat: the streets of Miami Beach are lined with high-end dining establishments teeming with the smells of Peruvian, Cuban, Caribbean, Asian and American cuisine, sometimes all at once. What other cities call fusion has a name of its own in Miami Beach: Floridian. Prepare to be impressed with its taste and the relatively cheap prices. Safety: Miami Beach is generally a safe city for visitors. However, as with most major tourist destinations, pickpocketing is the biggest concern, particularly during the chaotic nighttime and along busy Washington Street. Walk in groups at night and avoid any unfamiliar territory. If you have a car in town, keep valuables hidden so your vehicle is not made the target for a theft. Getting around Miami Beach: the best way to get around Miami Beach is on foot. South Beach is especially pedestrian-friendly, and how are you going to people watch or get a tan if you're in a car? Another option: bikes, can be rented from a number of vendors or from the bike-sharing system, City Bike.